Thank you for calling World Class Wireless. How can I help you?
I'm interested in starting new service, and I'm calling different companies right now and to price the various calling plans.
Do you already own a cellular phone? Or would you be needing a new World Class phone?
No, I have a phone already. It's a Commutel 500.
Unfortunately, your Commutel is not a model that is supported by World Class Wireless. However, if you begin new service with us today, we will send you our new state-of-the-art worldwide 99W phone for only $25.
That sounds reasonable. I will also need an extra phone for my wife. She's currently using a Commutel too.
As a special promotion, we are offering new customers extra WCW phones for only $5 each. So the new phones would be just $25 for you, plus $5 for your wife.
I may be interested. Can you tell me a little bit about your plans?
Sure. Actually, we have several plans available, but let me tell you about the two that are the most popular right now.
Go ahead, shoot.
With our new cell phone offer, you get free, unlimited weekend and nighttime minutes and up to 800 free weekday minutes Monday through Friday for $39.95 per phone.
When does nighttime start, according to your plan?
Nighttime means between 9 p.m. and 7 a.m. You can also opt to have your free nighttime minutes start at 7 p.m. for only $4 extra per phone per month.
And what hours are considered weekend in order to get those free minutes?
Weekend runs from 9 p.m. Friday night until 7 a.m. Monday morning. Also, of course, you have free, unlimited long-distance calling anywhere within the continental United States.
And what about the other plan that you said was popular?
We also have a plan that includes 500 free weekday minutes for $24.95 per month per phone. If you're on a tight budget and don't use your cell phone so often, that one might be the plan for you. But the 800-minute plan is our most popular because those first 500 free minutes tend to go pretty quickly.
I travel a lot, and I have lost my cell phone a few times in the past. Will you replace my phone for me if that happens?
Honestly, sir, I think you'll have a hard time finding a company that will replace a lost phone for free. However, WCW does offer an insurance plan which covers not only loss of your phone, but also any type of physical damage for only $5 extra per month.
That's not too bad. Now let me ask you this. If I begin service with your company, how long am I bound to the contract?
All of our contracts are for 2 years.
What happens if I need to end the contract before that time?
There is an early termination fee of $150.
Do your phones offer any other special features that I should know about?
Let's see One other convenience that I didn't mention is voice-activated calling. It comes with all our promotional phones.
What's that all about?
If you are busy driving, using both hands, you can call any phone number simply by speaking into a mouthpiece attached to a special headset. The phone uses voice recognition technology to call whatever number you want.
Wow, that would be very helpful.
And that feature comes standard with all new 99W phones.
Okay, I would like to start service today using the 800-minute plan. And I will add in the extra phone for my wife.
Wonderful. Now, sir, your basic monthly charges are going to be $39.95 for each phone, plus approximately $11 in surcharges and fees. Have you decided to buy the insurance that I mentioned earlier for $5 per month on each phone?
Yes, I think we are going to need that.
Excellent. So, you are looking at total charges of about $100 per month for each phone line. Also, there will be a one-time only charge of $30 to cover your two new phones.
Sounds pretty good.
All right. Your new world-class wireless cellular phones will arrive in 3 to 5 business days. Now, I will just need to take down some information, and we're all done.
Good morning, sir. May I help you?
Actually, I just got the news that my flight will arrive at 4:30 p.m. but it's supposed to come at 10 a.m. I am 60 years old as you see, so it will be so difficult for me to wait in the airport for such a long time. I want to occupy your room till the afternoon.
Sir, you are lucky as we don't have any booking of that room till afternoon. But sir, as you know, 12 p.m. is our last checkout time, and if you like to stay more then you have to pay for that.
What? What the hell are you talking? Why I have to pay?
Sir, it is the rule. Sir, you will be happy to hear that you will not have to pay full day room rent. If you stay till afternoon, then you will be charged only 50% of the room rent.
Hey man, don't you know I have settled my account already?
Yes, sir. But,
What but? Listen, hey listen to me. I will not pay a single cent for 4 hours. Are you deaf? I will not pay anymore. Is it clear to you?
sir, I really understand your problem. But I am afraid I have nothing to do. 12 p.m. is our last checkout time, and if you want to stay more you have to pay. That is the rule we have for all our guests.
I have been staying in this hotel for 3 days. Your service is so poor. I will complain against you.
We are very sorry, sir. Okay, I can do one favor for you.
What?
Sir, after 12 p.m. you can leave your baggage to us and enjoy in our lobby. And you will not be charged anymore.
Damn it, man. You people are mad. Listen to me clearly. I know how hard to earn money. I will not pay any more for 3 to 4 hours.
Sir, you can really enjoy in our lobby for the rest of the time.
No, never. I like to sleep in my room till 3 p.m. and I will never pay any more.
Then sir, please be seated in our lobby please. I am calling our manager. He is the right person to solve your problem. Please be seated there. Our manager will come within 5 minutes.
Okay, I am waiting. Let him come and talk to me.
Thank you sir for your patience.